सो दोस्तों गुड मॉर्निंग। इस प्रिटी अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग। अभी सुबह के 6:30 बज रहे हैं। यहाँ काफ़ी अंधेरा है। वी आर इन महाबलेश्वर और अभी समय है आप सबों को सनराइज पॉइंट दिखाने का। सो एज यू कैन सी इट्स प्रिटी अर्ली, सो वी कैन सी द मून इन फुल ग्लोरी। सो लेट्स गो टू द सनराइज point. As you can see, most of the people are sleeping here. Yesterday when we went to the sunset point, I saw most of the people being there. It was full of crowd. But there is something divine in morning. Mornings do not allow everybody to be a part of them, and those who become a part of morning, they become super successful. They are counted in top 1% people on this planet. Do you belong to this league? That's the question you must ask today. So dosto, we just came via this road, so we are on the sunrise point in Mahabaleshwar. I'm going to show you the point pretty well with a 360-degree view. But one point which I wanted to bring to your notice is that when I went to watch the sunset point yesterday, I could see a huge traffic jam. We had to park our car at least 400 meters before the point. We had to walk that distance. There was huge traffic jam. There were people from various parts of the country who might have come to visit Mahabaleshwar, and this place was absolutely chock-a-block. I could see a lot of buses and four-wheelers and two-wheelers. So the place was full of all these kind of vehicles and people, and it was a big chaos. There was no peaceful time. While recording the video, I could see a lot of noise from the background. But you see this place, there is no traffic jam here. There is no crowd. You just see a few vehicles. This is the sunrise point in Mahabaleshwar. When it comes to sunset, it is full of people because it's easier, it is comfortable for people to come and watch the setting sun. But it's very difficult for people to wake up early in the morning and then come and watch the sunrise. Now the point here is that early morning sun gives its access only to a few people, only to less than 1% of people, and these are the people who change the course of the world. You talk to any person who has been extremely successful, any person who has created something which has transformed the way the world is running, the world is moving, these people have been early riser. So friends, always remember that if you are able to build this habit of waking up early in the morning, and if you are able to do this every single day, you are already counted in top less than 1% people on this planet Earth. Because the people who are able to attain a high degree of success, the people who are able to attain great health, happiness, success, and the people who are leading a life of joy and delight, the people who are able to do something which only a few people have been able to do, and the people who are able to do something which can transform and which has been transforming the way this world is running, are always in the habit of waking up early in the morning. And these people are in rare small percentage on this planet Earth, because building this habit of waking up early in the morning and doing so every single day is something which is not possible for most of the people. So this is moon, and very soon we are going to see the sun, rising sun. This is where the sun is going to shine in a few minutes. As per the weather app, the time has already come. It's almost little past 7 o'clock in the morning. Of course, we had to wake up earlier because we had to take our car and come here. You can also come here walking. It's very close to the place we are put up. And yes, I have chosen this place for my accommodation in a manner that coming to Sunrise Point is easier than going to Sunset Point. So now you can feel the colors of orange, purple and red just appearing on the face of the eastern sky. And today seems to be a foggy day, and that's the reason it's taking a little time. But it's a beautiful, nice plateau. You can see these rocks, which are Vesuvius rocks. You can see the cavities which are created because of escaping gas from magma as the magma started cooling down. And that's the reason this entire plateau is created in a very magical, different way. And this kind of landscape we are going to see throughout Mahabaleshwar and Panchgani. And now you can feel the initial hint of rising sun. I can see that. I am pretty sure that you are going to see it yourself. Yes, you can see it, right? This is the early morning sun. Today is 1st of February, and today I'm going to begin the next chapter of my journey of transforming the lives of people. Today I have written the script of The Strawberry Farm Season 2. I've got lots and lots of inspiring stories which I'm going to share with all of you through books, through videos, and through podcasts. So now you can see the sunrise. Yes, the point here is that for those who have not been able to make this habit, they will never know the magic of this breeze which I can feel on my face. They will never be able to feel the freshness of oxygen which you get in these hours. They will never be able to feel that surge of creativity which you experience within you. They will never be able to feel the pace at which your mind starts thinking of something which is going to help you transform your life as well as transform the lives of people around you by inspiring them, by helping them take the decisions which are going to make their life more successful, happier, healthier, and transformed. So people who are not able to make this habit of waking up early in the morning, they will never be able to appreciate these magical advantages of waking up in the morning. Build it. This one habit is not an easy one because the gate to success is not an easy one. Let me zoom it and show you. Awesome, right? It's awesome. Divya is here. You can see Divya standing here. Just a few people. There is a point where you can see many people having climbed, but because of social distancing needs, we have decided not to go there. Rather have come to this plateau area where there is nobody. I just see one person, one lady who is trying to make some videos, and she also seems to be one of those people who might be having some YouTube channel or something, some purpose. So people who take the uncharted territory are those who have got a purpose, just like I have got a purpose to help people get inspired, stay inspired. So now you can see this beautiful sight of early morning sun which has risen to its full glory. This is one of the sceneries which I saw when I came to Panchgani many years ago, which inspired me to make some chapters, write some chapters in the Strawberry Farm. So let me show you the 360-degree view of this place. Here is Divya. She is enjoying the early morning sun. You can see some people, some cars being there. Moon is still there, so you can see moon here. And you can see the sun as well. You see some people here, not too many. Unlike yesterday evening when I saw the place being fully congested and crowded with onlookers who wanted to have a glimpse of setting sun. That was more of a fun zone meant for masses, and this is the zone of transformation which is meant only for, if I can say, classes. It's a special league of people who can build this habit of early morning sun, because early morning brings health, wealth, success, happiness, and all the virtues which everyone on this planet Earth is supposed to live his or her life with. Let you feel the peace here. Here is Divya. Can you see the moon? Yes, this is the moon. This is the forest area. This is the rocky terrain which Mahabaleshwar is known for, and this is the beautiful, amazing, life transforming, energy giving sun. Let me get you a better view of this place. I came to this area so that when I make the video, my voice is recorded without any background noise, because I could see many people being there making some noise, and I wanted to make a nice video for all of you. So friends, just to repeat once again, which I said in the morning, Benjamin Franklin said this sentence, that early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. And I'm pretty sure all of us have been hearing this quotation since childhood days. He knew what he was saying. And when I came to this world of life transformation, coaching and inspiring people through videos, and most importantly through books, I understood this point, this one sentence so well, that I can tell you with full conviction that if you can build this one habit, your life is going to change forever. This is the king of all the habits. In the chapter called The Power of Habits, in my Peter Marisburg movement, I have mentioned 11 habits which you can build in your life to attain transformational success. But among all the habits, there is one habit which is the king, which is the emperor, which is the pinnacle of all the habits, and that is the habit of waking up early in the morning. Yes, you got it right. The early morning sun is not going to open its gate for all the people, because it filters people based on their conviction, their passion, their motivation and their capability to become great. Becoming great does not come easy for everyone, and the biggest filtration criteria for you to know whether a person is on the path of becoming great is to check whether the person has been able to build what? Yes, you guessed it right. To build the habit of waking up early in the morning. This is one habit which you must make, and with this, let me wish you all the best. Let me wish you all the success, all the health, and best of joys in this world, in your life, in your professional career. I wish you lots and lots of success, but you need to make some changes, and you need to earn the right. You need to be blessed. You need to be the privileged one to be able to see the early morning sun opening its gate for you. And once it happens, you are going to become absolutely amazingly great. Stay blessed. Take care. Thank you.